Hey guys, today is another unboxing. What do we have today? A small box. Well, this is just one of it. So, I'll be doing it right now. This got in what was it? November 3rd, 2015. So yeah, what's in this box? Well, it's a SH figure arts. It was out of my Amazon box, but I didn't get to do the full opening of that because, yeah, I didn't want to. We got Sailor Uranus. Technically, they were supposed to come in with Sailor Blue. Nope, I don't remember the other one. Well, anywho, Sailor Uranus. Sorry, from Sailor Moon. Developers of, I think the one that made this are Bandai, right here, and of course the sticker, and yeah, and the 20th anniversary part of it. It's the side of it, back, the front, the top. Of course, the bottom has nothing to do with it. Yeah, pretty much that's about it. Don't think I'll be taking this thing out anytime soon, so that's one part of it. On to my bigger box. My paper for my next unboxing, right here. So, let's put that on the side. Just to say that I opened a box. We got a ZS box. I have a box. Put that on the side. And we got some Dead Alive posters in a box. Yup. And I can't wait to open this. So I'll do a separate episode for this one, just cause there's a lot of posters in here. So let's put that inside there. And we got this. We got a remodel version of Fate's Day. Saber 2.0. 2.0. Nice. Yep, 2.0. So I'm pretty much back with the original. This is pretty much the original Fate's Day for Saber, which first one came out. Of course, it's the Figma. Like pretty much my, I don't know, maybe my second, third ones that I like out of the series. But yeah, that's what I like. I think these were, yeah, but anywho. This is 2.0 of the Saber of this version. So this is the side of it, and this is the back. What's the difference in between them? I would say the no clue, but this is the other side. They pretty much the same size. Different coloring a little bit from the inside. I can't really show you guys because I'm not gonna open this for a while yet. So when I do open it, yeah. So sticker to say it's real. Colors different. I think it might have a better stand, might have better poses. Maybe paint's different. Maybe the clothes is a little bit bigger. Her dress part, but yeah. Put that on the side or in the back here. And one last thing that I have is a poster. I forgot what this anime was from, but yeah, pretty much that's a poster from it. I was like, might as well pick it up because I like posters. So yeah, that's pretty much my unboxing. I'll be opening up this on one of my pictures. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys like my unboxing, please do like. Just press the like button, the thumbs up. I should say, press the thumbs up button. Click it. If you guys like to see more, just press the subscribe button. But that's pretty much it. Pretty much my next video will be based on these guys I'll be opening up. So see you guys later. Peace.